Thanks for coming in. So what brings you in today?
First of all, you look real familiar. I've seen you on TV, haven't I?
Yeah, most people recognize my dog Chuckles, but I'm Chad Van Horn. I'm the attorney that's going to do your
But I
consultation.
saw you on some TV show. What was the name of the show? What was that?
I was also on a Netflix show called Squid Game's The Challenge. Are you a fan?
No, I wasn't. That wasn't. You were on that other one, the Survivor one, where they're in the island, right?
I don't think so. I think that was it, but maybe I'll be on Survivor next time around.
Ah, you look familiar.
So what brings you in today?
Well, I'm in debt. I've got a lot of credit card debt, a lot of medical debt, and then I made some, let's just say, poor financial decisions. I've been trying to meet my monthly payments, but it's just not working.
Yeah, medical debt's one of the top reasons people are filing bankruptcy. Usually with medical debt, you end up in the hospital, can't work, that piles up. Also, credit cards right now are at an all-time high with interest rates and whatnot. So that's happening quite often. What's your current income?
My income, it varies, but let's say I average about $80,000 to $90,000 a year.
Okay. And how much credit card, how much medical debt do you have?
Medical debt, it's hard because the bills keep coming. I still don't understand the difference between you owe this, the insurance, I really don't understand. If I had to guess, I'd say maybe close to $50,000.
Okay.
Credit card, maybe that's another 50, maybe even more.
Okay. And are you current with the payments?
No.
No. When's the last time you made a payment?
Maybe February.
And any lawsuits? Anybody suing you, harassing you, anything like that?
Well, I got people harassing me, but I think that's maybe for a different lawyer. But I don't know of any lawsuits.
Good. Well, if there were a lawsuit filed against you, they would actually have to serve you paper, so you should know about it. Also, lawyers send you mailers, just like if you got a ticket. So
I don't think I've got any of those.
excellent, excellent. And have you tried anything to resolve this debt?
Well, I went to this credit counseling service. It really didn't help. I find that I'm still in debt, and that's why I'm thinking bankruptcy might be it for me.
Yeah, credit counseling, credit consolidation works for certain niche situations, but a situation like this with about $100,000 in debt, I don't think that's going to work. I think you are going to need a bankruptcy solution. As far as your household size, how many people are in your household?
It's me, my wife, and my dog.
Okay, so 2.5.
2.5.
What kind of dog?
Some kind of mixed breed, mongrel, something like that.
Nice. Does your wife work?
No. What can I do about that?
Well, I'm sure she takes care of the dog, right?
Don't be so sure.
All right, so when we're considering bankruptcy options, they actually look into household size and household income, household expenses to determine whether you qualify for Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. As far as your income, is your income steady throughout the year?
Let's say, yeah, pretty much.
Okay, because when we're determining qualifications, they look at your last 6 months worth of income. So for example, if we work with teachers, sometimes they don't work during the summers, don't receive paychecks, so their income's cut in half over the summer, which may make them qualify for Chapter 7 versus Chapter 13. All right, now tell me about assets. Do you have any assets?
No, I rent. The only asset, and this is the thing I'm really concerned about, is my car. Not that it's a great car, but I need the car to get to work.
Okay.
Other than that, just personal belongings, crappy watch.
Gotcha.
No jewelry.
Tell me about your car. What kind of car do you have?
It is a 2020 Mustang.
And what do you owe on that?
Let's say about $35,000.
Okay. And what do you think that's worth?
Yeah, it's in pretty good condition. I don't know, maybe 50.
50? Perfect. Okay. And is it just your name on the title, or is it yours and your wife's?
No, just me.
All right. And what's your payment on that?
$425 a month.
Great. All right. So about $15,000 worth of equity there. And no other real estate. How about retirement accounts?
Nothing.
Nothing else. So just the vehicle.
Yeah.
Great. All right. Any specialty debt? IRS, child support, alimony, anything out of the ordinary?
No, mostly it's the medical bills that really set me behind. The credit cards, sometimes, I spend a little too much. But the medical ones are the ones that are hurting me.
Great. So based on the information, it does look like you qualify for a Chapter 7. We are going to need more documents to verify this. Two of my major concerns: one, you have $15,000 worth of equity in a vehicle. The good news is the equity exemption for a vehicle just went up to $5,000. You have a wild card exemption of $4,000, so that's $9,000 that we can exempt. But the difference we're going to have to pay to the creditors, and there's going to be a trustee that's assigned.
All right.
Yeah, there's going to be a trustee assigned, but the good news is we can make a deal with the trustee.
Okay.
You pay the trustee, and we're going to be able to discharge potentially $100,000
right.
worth of debt. The other good news is your income is right on the borderline of qualifying for 7 to 13. But because the majority of your debt is medical debt, that's non-consumer debt, so we can try to exempt you from the current month CMI, Statement of Current Monthly Income. And otherwise, you look like you're just at the qualification. So we're going to verify that by getting 6 months worth of pay stubs. The way a Chapter 7 works, you're going to get a certain documents. My assistant will email you the list of exactly what we need.
Right.
Once we get the documents and the filing fees and costs, we can get you filed. 30 days after we file, there's one meeting that we're going to have to attend together. It's called a meeting of creditors. It's a meeting with the trustee or the person that's going to oversee the case.
Right.
It's actually a virtual meeting now, so it's by Zoom. So you're never going to have to see a judge, you never have to go to court or anything like
I don't want to
that.
see that, no.
So you can certainly come into the office, we can do it here,
Right.
or you can do it from home.
Okay.
I'm going to email you a list of questions that they're going to ask you at the
Right.
341, and I'm going to send you a video of somebody that's reenacting the 341 meeting with me. So you'll be completely prepared. And if you have any questions, there'll be attorneys there with you to answer any questions that you have. Either I or one of my associates will attend the meeting with you by Zoom. Okay? If all goes well at the 341 meeting, approximately 60 days after that, you'll receive your discharge. That means you're debt-free.
Really?
That's it. Your case closes, and then we help you rebuild your credit immediately, which takes about 12 to 18 months to rebuild your credit.
Right.
And I'm going to help you with that as well. So do you have any questions about the process or anything?
I think I get most of it. Again, my concern was the car, but it sounds like I'll be able to keep it and hopefully work something out. But no, I feel a lot better than when I walked in.
Excellent. Well, if you have any questions, again, my name's Chad. I'm the owner of the firm. I'm here
Okay.
6 days a week. I'm here to take care of you.
Okay, great. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Look forward to working with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.